Getting too many notifications from BingX price alerts? In 2026, turning them off only takes a few seconds, and it can help keep your trading setup clean and distraction free. Open the BingX platform and log in into your account. Next, head to the trading page or open the price alerts section from the notifications or chart settings. You'll see a list of all your active alerts for different trading pairs and price levels. Find the alert you no longer need and tap delete, remove, or simply toggle it off, depending on your device and app version. Once disabled, BingX will stop sending notifications for that price target immediately. Regularly cleaning up old alerts is a good habit, especially if you trade multiple currencies or frequently change strategies. Keeping only your important alerts active helps you stay focused on the setups that matter most. And that's how you can turn off price alerts easily on BingX in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and trading tips.